Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to create drop shadow and After Effects. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Creating a drop shadow and Adobe After Effects is a straightforward process that adds depth to your text, shapes, or other layers. Here's how to do it. Now, if you want to work with text or shapes, you can use the Type tool T. So first, click on the layer in the timeline that you want to add a drop shadow to. With the layer selected, go to the effect at the top of the After Effects, choose Perspective, then drop shadow. This will apply a basic shadow effect to the selected layer. In the Effect Controls panel, usually located at the top left, you can see the settings for the drop shadow effect. Adjust the settings to customize your shadow. Opacity controls the transparency of the shadow. Increase the value for a darker shadow, or decrease it for a lighter shadow. Direction determines the angle at which the shadow is cast. You can rotate this to change the direction. Distance adjusts how far the shadow is from the original object. Increase this to move the shadow further away. Softness controls the blur of the shadow edges. A higher value will result in a softer, more diffuse shadow. Color. You can change the color of the shadow by clicking on the color swatch. Typically, shadows are black or dark gray, but you can choose any color that fits your design. Now, you can preview your drop shadow. By following these steps, you can effectively add and customize drop shadows and After Effects to make your layers stand out with depth and realism. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.